if when we're using Photoshop we go through the same procedures, the same workflow procedures, instead of doing each one every time we open up a new image, what we can do is create what's called an action, and this will repeat the workflow for us without having to keep redoing it. I've opened up the window panel actions, and I'm going to create a new set by clicking on this folder here. And it asks me for a name. I'm going to call it sharpen. Once I've done that, I'll press OK, and then I'm going to create a new action by clicking on this button here. And it'll ask me for the name. I'll just leave it as action 1. I press record, and that's going to record every mouse click or keyboard press I do. So I'm going to make a quick action for sharpen. And as I'm doing this, it's recording each action as I go along. And as you can see, if you look at the panel of the actions, new things are appearing all the time. It's recording each step as I go along. Now that's the action finished. I will stop the recording. Now just to check that action, I'm just going to delete this layer 1 and start from the background again. I'm going to go to action 1 here and press play, and you should see in the layers panel it all coming together. And there you go, there's an action.